your refrigerator will fail. In a power outage, a storm, or any extended crisis, everything inside it is gone within roughly 48 hours. But long before refrigeration was invented, entire armies marched for months without a single cold storage unit. Sailors crossed oceans. Civilizations survived through brutal winters on nothing but what they had stored. They knew something most of us have completely forgotten. Certain foods, prepared and kept the right way, can last for years, some for decades. And at least one food on this list was found sitting in an underground tomb for more than 3,000 years. Scientists opened the container. They tested the contents. It was still edible. We are covering 5 of those foods today. And stay with us, because food number 4 is so deeply tied to human history that our modern word for wages literally comes from it. Food number 1 is raw honey. In 1922, archaeologists working inside Egyptian tombs discovered sealed clay pots filled with honey. The honey was more than 3,000 years old. They tasted it. It was still good. That is not legend. It is documented archaeological record. No other food on Earth has matched that. Honey can last indefinitely for 3 specific reasons. Its water content is extremely low, around 17 to 20%, while most foods that spoil sit well above 30%. It is highly acidic, with a pH between 3.2 and 4.5, and it naturally produces small amounts of hydrogen peroxide over time. Bacteria simply cannot survive in that environment. The critical word here is raw. Commercial honey sold in plastic bottles is often heated and filtered during production. That process strips away many of the enzymes and natural compounds responsible for honey's staying power. Raw honey, minimally processed and sealed in glass, is what lasts indefinitely. Stored away from moisture and heat, raw honey may crystallize over time. That is not spoilage. A gentle warm water bath returns it to liquid without any loss of quality. Desert travelers used it as compact, fast energy. Traditional medicine across dozens of cultures applied it directly to wounds, where its natural acidity and antimicrobial properties may help reduce the risk of infection. For long-term storage, few foods match both the shelf life and the practical usefulness of a sealed jar of raw honey. Food number 2 is dried lentils. One of the oldest written stories in human history involves a man who trades his entire inheritance for a single bowl of lentil stew. That sounds irrational until you understand what lentils actually represented in the ancient world. They were not a side dish. They were survival infrastructure. Soldiers carried them. Merchants stockpiled them. Cities built their emergency reserves around them. Dried lentils stored in a sealed container away from moisture can remain safe and nutritious for 25 to 30 years. Their nutritional profile barely changes over that time. 1 cooked cup provides roughly 18 grams of protein, which is comparable to about 3 large eggs, along with meaningful amounts of iron, folate, potassium, and magnesium. What made lentils ideal for armies and long journeys was their weight-to-nutrition ratio. A kilogram of dried lentils is dense with calories and protein, but weighs almost nothing compared to fresh food. Light to carry, simple to cook with only water and heat, and filling enough to sustain heavy physical work. Modern nutrition. Research confirms what ancient armies understood intuitively. Lentils have a low glycemic index, meaning they release energy slowly and steadily rather than producing a sharp spike followed by fatigue. Their soluble fiber content may support digestive health and help manage cholesterol over time. Soak them overnight. Simmer with water and basic seasoning, and you have a complete meal from something that has been sitting sealed in your pantry for years. Food number 3 is white rice. Here is a comparison worth considering. The average household refrigerator lasts between 10 and 15 years before it needs to be replaced. White rice, sealed in an airtight container with an oxygen absorber, can last 25 to 30 years. The food outlasts the appliance we rely on to keep food fresh. Brown rice, by contrast, lasts only about 6 to 12 months at room temperature. The bran layer contains natural oils that eventually go rancid. The milling process that turns brown rice white removes that bran layer along with those oils. That is precisely what makes white rice so shelf-stable. It loses some nutritional value in the process, but what remains stays intact for decades. In Japan, rice has been excavated from ancient storage pits dating back centuries, still structurally sound. During the Irish famine of the 1840s, ships carrying rice were used as relief provisions specifically because rice was one of the only foods that could survive extended sea voyages without spoiling. Moisture is the primary enemy of stored rice. A sealed mylar bag or airtight container with an oxygen absorber, kept in a cool and dark location, will maintain rice quality for the longest possible time. Before we continue, here is a preview of what is coming next. Food number 4 was once more valuable than gold by weight in parts of the ancient world. Armies built entire campaigns around securing it, and you almost certainly have it sitting in your kitchen right now. Food number 4 is salt. The English word salary comes directly from the Latin salarium, a term for payments made to Roman soldiers partly in salt. Salt was that important. It preserved food, maintained health, and was essential to survival in a way that almost nothing else was. Civilizations built up around salt deposits. Trade routes existed specifically to move it. Wars were fought to control it. Salt has no expiration date. None. It is a mineral, not an organic compound, which means it cannot rot, ferment, or go stale. A sealed container of table salt today will function identically in 100 years. Moisture can cause clumping, which affects texture but has no impact on safety or function. Beyond its own indefinite shelf life. Salt's most important survival value is what it does to every other food around it. Salt has been used for thousands of years to preserve meat, fish, vegetables, and dairy by drawing out moisture and making an environment where bacteria struggle to establish. Before refrigeration existed, salt effectively was refrigeration. Salted cod survived transatlantic ocean voyages. Salted meats kept armies functional through winter campaigns. Fermented vegetables packed in salt provided essential nutrition through months when nothing fresh was available. A modest stockpile of salt does 2 jobs at once. It lasts forever as it sits, and it extends the life of nearly everything stored alongside it. Food number 5 is hardtack. During World War I, soldiers occasionally discovered military ration crates that have been stored for decades. Some of the biscuits inside dated back to the American Civil War of the 1860s. That was more than 40 years earlier. Some soldiers ate them anyway. The biscuits were dense, completely flavorless, and difficult to chew. But they were edible. No mold, no rot. Hardtack is one of the simplest foods ever made. Flour, water, and salt. Baked at low heat for an extended time until almost all moisture is driven completely out. That extreme dryness is what makes it nearly indestructible. Without moisture, bacteria and mold have no way to take hold. Ancient Roman legions carried a version called buccellatum on long campaigns. Medieval sailors depended on hardtack crossing the Atlantic. Every major military force, before refrigeration, treated it as essential precisely because it weighed almost nothing, took up little space, and would not spoil. Making it at home takes 3 ingredients and a basic oven. Combine flour, water, and a pinch of salt into a stiff dough. Roll it flat. Punch holes across the surface to prevent puffing, and bake it low and slow until it is bone dry all the way through. Sealed in a tin or airtight container, it can last for years. Nobody has ever called hardtack delicious. Soldiers throughout history complained about it constantly, and some historians believe it has caused more dental damage than almost any other food. But survival was never about comfort. It was about function. For that one job, hardtack has never been matched. Raw honey that outlasted 3,000 years underground. Dried lentils that fueled entire armies on the march. White rice that outlasts the refrigerators we use to store it. Salt with no expiration and the power to preserve everything around it. And hardtack somehow shared by soldiers from 2 completely different centuries. These are not exotic specialty items. Most of them are already in your kitchen right now. The difference between someone who has a resilient food supply and someone who does not often comes down to one thing: knowing which foods are worth storing and knowing how to store them properly. So here is a question for you. Which one of these 5 surprised you the most? Leave it in the comments.